Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the restaurant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. In the United States, how much tip do people often add at a restaurant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, look at this place. It looks really nice.
I know. I'm so hungry. Can we eat here?
Maybe, but we don't have a reservation.
Oh, right. Do you think they have a table for us?
I'm not sure. It looks very busy inside.
Let me look through the window. Yes, it's full of people.
A lot of people are waiting near the door, too.
Maybe it's a very popular restaurant in this town.
I think so. The food must be really good here.
There's a menu by the door. Let's read it.
Good idea. Look, they have chicken, fish, and soup.
The prices are not too high. That's nice.
Yeah, it looks fair, and the photos look great.
I want to try it. Let's not give up so fast.
Okay, we can just go in and ask for a table.
Asking is free. They may say no, but that's okay.
That's true. Then we'll find another place to eat.
Exactly. So it's okay to just ask.
When I traveled before, I always forgot to book a table.
Really? So what did you do then?
I waited a long time, or I ate at a small shop.
That sounds hard. Today, let's just go and ask.
Right. The smell from here is so good.
I can smell it too. Now I'm even more hungry.
My stomach is making noises.
Mine too. We really need to eat soon.
Look, there's a person at the front door.
Yes, he must work here. He takes our names.
Should you ask him, or do you want me to?
I'll ask, but help me if I forget a word.
Of course. We are a good team, you and me.
We are. Okay, let's go in together now.
After you. Let's see if we are lucky today.
I really hope so. I want to sit down and relax.
Me too. A warm dinner sounds perfect right now.
Then here we go. Wish us luck.
I think we'll be lucky. I can feel it.
I hope you're right. Hi, a table for two, please.
Hello, welcome. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that okay tonight?
Let me check for you. It's a busy night.
Yes, we can see that. There are so many people.
Most of these guests called us before they came.
Oh, so they made a reservation first.
That's right. With a reservation, I can give you a table right away.
I see, and without one, we have to wait.
Yes, but only a short time, maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes is fine. We can wait for that.
Great. On weekends, the tables become full early.
Really? How early do people book a table?
Some call a week before. The popular nights go fast.
Wow. Next time we will call first.
That's a good plan. Then you usually don't have to wait.
Good to know. Thank you for letting me know.
My pleasure. Can I have your name, please?
It's Lily.
Thank you. How many people? Just the two of you?
Yes, 2. My friend is waiting right behind me.
Perfect. Would you like a table by the window?
That sounds lovely if you have one.
Let me see. I think one will open very soon.
That's great. We are not in a hurry.
Good. Please wait here for a few minutes.
Sure. Is it okay if my friend waits too?
Of course. There's room near the window over there.
Perfect. We will stand there and watch the street.
Nice. I'll call your name when the table is ready.
Thank you so much. We're excited to eat here.
You'll love it. The food is very good tonight.
What is good tonight? Any special dish?
The fish is very fresh today. Many guests order it.
Oh, that sounds perfect. I love fish.
Then tonight is a good night to come.
That makes me even more hungry.
Please wait just a little longer.
No problem. We'll enjoy the view from here.
Okay, your table is ready now. Please follow me.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Hi, welcome. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Everything looks so good.
Take your time. Can I get you a drink first?
Yes, 2 glasses of water, please.
Of course. With ice or without ice?
With ice is fine. Thank you.
Great. I'll bring them right away.
Thanks. Can I ask you about the menu?
Sure. What would you like to know?
What do you recommend? It's our first time here.
Great question. Our chicken dish is very popular.
That sounds nice. What comes with it?
It comes with rice and some vegetables.
Is the chicken spicy at all?
Just a little, but I can make it not too spicy.
That's better for us. And what about something to start?
For a starter, try the soup. People love it.
A starter? Do you mean an appetizer?
Yes, same thing. In British English, they say starter.
Oh, I didn't know that. Good to learn.
In American English, we say appetizer. Both are fine.
Nice. So the soup is a small first dish.
Exactly. It comes before your main dish.
Is the soup very big or just small?
It's a small bowl. It's good before the main dish.
Perfect. Then I'll have the soup first.
Great choice. And for your main dish?
I'll take the chicken dish you talked about.
Good. Would your friend like the same?
She would like the fish, please.
Lovely. So 1 chicken and 1 fish.
Yes, and 1 soup to share at the start.
Of course. Would you like another drink?
Maybe some tea later after the meal.
Sure. Just tell me when you are ready.
Thank you. How long will the food take?
About 15 minutes. I'll bring the soup first.
Sounds good. We are happy to wait.
Got it. I'll tell the kitchen your order now.
Great. Thank you for all your help.
My pleasure. I'll be back with your water.
Now I really can't wait to eat.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is reservation, a table you book before you come. For example, we made a reservation for 2 people. The second word is recommend, to tell someone a good choice. For example, the waiter can recommend a popular dish. The third word is appetizer, a small dish before the main dish. For example, we had soup as an appetizer. The fourth word is leftovers, the food you do not finish. For example, we took the leftovers home in a box. The fifth word is bill, the paper that shows what you pay. For example, can we have the bill, please? Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at their table.
This food looks amazing. Look at my fish.
And my chicken is so big. Wow.
The soup was great too. I'm already a little full.
Me too. They give us a lot of food here.
Try a piece of my fish. It's so soft.
That's really good. Here, try my chicken.
Oh, the chicken is warm and soft. I love it.
The vegetables are fresh too. Everything is nice.
And the bread is warm. They must bake it here.
I think so. Fresh bread always makes a meal better.
I don't think I can finish all of this.
Same here. There's so much food on my plate.
When I travel, the plates are often this big.
I know. In some places, one dish feeds 2 people.
It's a lot, but I don't want to waste it.
Me neither. We can take the rest home.
Oh, can we do that here?
I think so. We can ask for a box.
A box? You mean for the extra food?
Yes, the food we don't finish is called leftovers.
Leftovers, so we put them in a box and take them home.
Right. Then we can eat them tomorrow for lunch.
That's a smart idea. I hate to waste good food.
In some places, taking a box is very normal.
But not everywhere?
No, in some places people don't really do it.
Interesting. So it's good to just ask the waiter.
Yes, we can say, "Can I get a box, please?"
Easy. I'll remember that for next time.
It's a useful one when the plates are big.
Yes. Now let's eat a little more first.
Good plan. The fish is too good to stop eating.
I was just thinking the same thing.
Slow down, though. We have dessert later, maybe.
Dessert? That sounds good. I can always eat dessert.
Of course you can. When Sophia comes, we'll ask for a box.
Okay, and then we'll look at the dessert menu.
Perfect plan. Now, let's enjoy this meal.
Cheers to good food and a big table.
How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was wonderful. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad. Can I take these plates?
Yes, please. But could we take the rest home?
Of course. I'll bring a box for you.
Thank you. There's a lot left and it's too good to waste.
No problem at all. Many guests take food home.
Good. We will enjoy it tomorrow.
Here is your box. You can fill it yourself.
Thank you. That's easy. I'll put the chicken in.
There is a lid too, so it will not spill.
Oh, that's helpful. Thank you for thinking of that.
Take your time. Would you like some dessert too?
Maybe. What do you recommend?
Our apple cake is the most popular one.
Apple cake sounds great. Is it very sweet?
Just a little. It comes with warm sauce on top.
Is the cake warm or cold?
It's warm. We heat it in the kitchen first.
Even better. Warm cake on a cool night is perfect.
Many guests say the same thing. It's a favorite.
Do you have any fruit too?
Yes, we have fresh oranges. They are very sweet.
Maybe next time. The cake is enough for tonight.
Then you can try the fruit next time.
That sounds perfect. We'll share one cake, please.
Great. 1 apple cake with 2 spoons.
Yes, 2 spoons. We always share dessert.
That's sweet. Anything to drink with it?
2 cups of tea would be nice.
Good choice. Tea goes well with apple cake.
We can't finish 2 desserts anyway.
Very true. 1 cake is just right.
And where do we pay after?
You can pay at the front when you are ready.
Perfect. We're not in a hurry. We're having a nice time.
I'm happy to hear that. You two are very kind.
Thank you. The service here is really good.
That's so kind. I'll be right back with your cake.
Take your time. We'll get our box ready.
Good idea. The apple cake is next.
Hi again. We're ready to pay at the front.
Of course. Did you have a wonderful dinner?
We did, thank you. Here is our table number.
Great. Let me get your bill. Here it is.
Thank you. Oh, can I ask you something?
Sure. What is it?
My friend says check, but I say bill. Which is right?
Both are right. They mean the same thing.
Really? So the check and the bill are the same?
Yes. In American English, people often say check.
and bill is more common in British English.
Exactly. You can use either one. We understand both.
That's good to know. English has many small differences.
It does, but most people will understand both words.
Let me look at the bill, the food, the dessert, the tea.
Yes, it's all there. Please check it slowly.
It looks right. The prices are very fair.
I'm glad you think so. How would you like to pay?
By card, please. Should I add a tip?
Here, a tip is not needed. You can choose.
Oh, that's different from some other places.
Yes, in America, people often add 15 to 20%.
Wow, that much? More than the food cost?
Yes, on top of it. A tip is extra money for the person who served you.
I see. So the rules are different in each place.
Exactly. When you travel, it's good to ask first.
Great advice. We'd like to leave a small tip for Sophia.
That's very kind. She will be happy.
She helped us a lot tonight. We want to say thank you.
I'll give it to her. Thank you both.
Now, how do I pay with my card?
Please put your card on this machine.
Done. That was easy.
Here is your card back and your receipt.
Thank you. Everything was perfect tonight.
Come back soon, and next time call for a table.
We will, for sure. Good night.
Good night. Take care, both of you.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. In the United States, how much tip do people often add at a restaurant? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.